This can also be extended in the exact same way for more than just two numbers, such as 68 can be divided into 2 and 34, which can be divided into 2 times 17. Well, 24 will equal 2 times 12, which is 3 times 4, which is 2 times 2. And 80 can go into 8 and 10, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 2. So therefore 68 equals 2 to the 2 times 17. 24 equals 2 to the 3 times 3. And 80 equals 2 to the 4 times 5. So therefore the LCM equals the highest power, which is a 17, 2 to the 4, 3, and 5. So equals 2 to the 4 times 3 times 5 times 17. And the GCF would equal the common powers, which in this case is only 2 to the squared, which equals 4, and the LCM would equal 4080.